So this is how I like to cut watermelons. Take a large knife, ideally one that is larger than the melon, so you can cut through it in a single motion. Cut off the top and toss it, then cut off slices about 1 inch or 2 centimeters thick. Position them so that the larger side is on the bottom, which makes the following cuts a bit easier. Cut the slices into even strips, again about 1 inch or 2 centimeters thick. When cutting the rind pieces, make sure to tilt the knife away from the melon to waste as little flesh as possible. Toss the rind pieces, then cut across right through the middle, and you end up with neat and handy watermelon sticks. If you want to arrange them on a plate, you can just grab half a slice at once by pushing the strips together. With more than one slice, I like to place them crosswise on top of each other. For eating, just grab them at the rind to keep your fingers clean and wrap your lips around them to not dribble juice everywhere. To store the rest of the watermelon, I like to just wrap a piece of aluminum foil around the cut surface and put it in the fridge with the foil facing up. Alright, please give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.